Okay, guys, so daily chart. Okay, always start the analysis on daily chart. So draw out the CE week here. As you can see, the CE week comes at 6493.5. So I'm going to draw it out. Okay, 6493.5 here. And I'm going to place daily CE week. Okay. Okay, and that will be it. Then what we're going to see is basically, because on the daily chart, what can be expected? Yeah, first we got a daily BC here. So we may retrace to there as well. Weekly chart. Weekly chart probably nothing, right? Okay, so this is the previous week high. We are still above the previous week high right now. So basically what I'm seeing is if we go on the daily chart. So this is the daily CE week and we rejected at roughly the lower quadrant of it. So right now what I'm seeing is look at the previous day high here and also the daily BC. Okay, so this daily BC also note it. This one can delete. So I'm going to use purple. She's light green, man. One day BC high. Yeah, because when you're trading on the phone, right, basically cannot really see much. So we just do what we can here. Okay, now we go to the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, this is that daily C week. Okay. Okay, today is Thursday already, yeah. Today is Thursday already, so basically right now this is the account and as you can see the account is up. So previously had my drawdown here of $200 and I managed to climb back up. And after we recover from the drawdown, yeah, here we shall accidentally just leave it long. So right now we are up back. So basically what I'm going to see is this, okay? Right now we have this 4-hour BC high and also this daily BC high. And we reach the CE week, but we failed to reach it. And this is yesterday's new opening range gap. I don't know if it will be important or not. Let's go to 1-hour chart. Okay, so this is the 1-hour chart. So basically, you can see here is where but you must know one thing. Okay, the 15 minutes the daily C week wasn't here yet until Wednesday close. Okay, so this is basically the daily C week right here. And what we can see at the moment is can see this daily CV. We are holding bodies, respecting it, but this daily CV we traded above it. So this is telling me potential not bearish, not as bearish as we can see. Okay, we are not as bearish, but at the moment, right now where is buy side? Okay. This is the 15-minute BC. As you can see, we gone on 15-minute. So the 15-minute BC you can see yesterday, bam, rejected lower rejection so many times at this 15-minute BC. Once again, come up here during Asia time, lower again. Then in this CV, lower again. Then right now back in this OCV. So to the downside, where will I be seeing? To the downside, I'll be seeing this. At the moment, the lowest hanging fruit objective is this 15-minute CV. So this 15-minute CV comes at 6475.75. Okay, so we're going to draw it. 6475.75. Okay, so make it orange. Okay, so this is the 15-minute C wick, and this will be the to the downside. That will be a target. Okay, let's go to 30 minute. 30 minute will probably add more. 30 minute probably more here. Not really. So you can see we cleared some swing low here. The 15-minute CVA and daily CVA is the same. Nothing much here. On the 1 hour chart, not nothing also. We had this 1 hour balance price range, but see how price is reacting there. It's just going up and down. Yeah, now I'm more careful with what the trades that I do. I won't just enter a trade right away because I want to really see what's going on. Okay, I want to really see what's going on before I enter a trade. So right now this is the 1 hour. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart, and you can see how we are just going back and forth here. And the fact that we trade through this 1 hour CB tells me bullishness at the moment. Okay, that's what feeling is giving me right now. We are getting closer to the 350 macro already. So just be patient and just wait. Right now there's nothing to do really. Let's see how much time I got left. 18 minutes. Don't worry, I still got another half an hour. And dedicate this time to trading. For you. I'm just that powerful, man. Just kidding. I mean, like right now, who knows? I can build my model here. Like always been trading the 350 macro right now. So basically, you can see this 1 hour BC bodies respecting it beautifully, and we are back in that 1 hour balance price range. Yeah, always see high time frame first. If high time frame there's nothing, right? No point going low time frame also. Now I'm really training myself to do that. Okay, on 4 hour chart, things is looking bullish. BC here, failed to trade back into it. Then again BC here, trade back into the BC here, holding support at the new opening range gap. But one thing I want you guys to see is this also, okay? Okay, nothing here. Let's draw the BC here. Let's make all the color yellow only, right? Easier to see. Okay, so you can see bodies respecting above the CE of this 4 BC. Then once again, we trace back to the lower quadrant of it and going back higher. And yes, so the upside target is this daily CE wick. Okay, is this daily CE wick during Wednesday? Okay, so this daily CE wick, okay? You can see on the daily chart we haven't reached it. So don't be deceived by all this, okay? Because on the daily chart is a C wick and it's right here. So that will be the draw because 4 hour chart still looking bullish to me now right now. Okay. Yes, 4 hour chart is still looking bullish to me. This is the new opening range gap. I don't know, is it useful? Do you think it's useful? Never mind, let's just keep it on for studying purposes, okay? But this 4 hour BC is definitely useful. Okay, let's make the line more different a bit. Okay. Yeah, I needed this, okay? Okay, so the 4 BC coincide with this 4 C wick. So you can see we traded through it, touched the low of the new opening range gap, failed to trade to this C wick, which coincide again here, rejection above. So yeah, 4-hour chart still looking bullish. And this is the 4-hour BC high. And as you can see, the 1-hour BC also traded above this CV. Yeah, so no problem. I'm bullish. Yes, I'm bullish. So when you're bullish, you just be patient. We cleared sell side already. Respected the 4-hour BC. C of the new opening range gap. Let's see, is midnight any much helpful or not? Let's see, is the midnight range big or not? Just very small midnight range. But anyway, this looks like a balanced price range here because we had a CV and the fact that it reacted like that at this 15-minute CV tells me the story. Okay, here, here to here. Okay, look at that. Look at that. We close above, bang bang, shoots higher. So right now here, body, wick. So basically here's a balanced price range already. And not to mention sell side is already cleared. Okay. Yesterday PM sell side cleared. Will it want to go downside? Yesterday you can see this BC. You draw it here, it's supported here as well. These are the 15-minute charts supported here. Quite choppy. Reach higher, rejected at the Civic higher. Okay, we can trust. Okay, the end dog. Yeah. We should get the end dog out. Okay. Let's go to 1 minute. Just draw the end dog out, okay? So closing price here. So this is the 14/8 and dog. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, the end dog is here. So the end dog coincide with what? With the previous week high. I see. Yeah, 646.5. End dog coincide with the previous week high. We got the end dog here. Where is this week's new week opening gap? I wonder. Wait, did I even draw this week's new week opening gap? Well, that's funny. Let's actually, I didn't draw this week's new week opening gap. Okay, let's draw this week's new week opening gap first. Sunday, 6 p.m. Can't get it in 1 minute, so let's get it on 5 minutes. Yep, really slow. My data really slow. Fuck. Oh, it's here. Yeah, we have it. Okay, sorry, we have it. Anyway, let's go back. Okay, so the new week opening gap is far below us right now. Okay, so anyway, this is the 5 minute chart. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Okay, we traded below this BC already. This is the 1 hour BC. Yeah, this is the 1 hour BC. This is today's end log. So from here, 6480 to 6484, that can be a bread and butter setup. Why is that? Because we cleared sell side, many sell side here. We expected the 1 hour BC. CE of yesterday's new opening range gap from a BC. You can enter here. 648.75 stop loss has to be here. Okay, so our buy side is cleared. Okay, buy side cleared. Respected in this CB. Respected this 15 minute. Also respected this 1 hour, sorry. Okay, so respected this 1 hour balance price range. Okay, I better draw it first. And the fact that we rejected low from need here tells me what? Bearishness, okay? So we are in that 1150 macro. So draw this out here, this 1 hour. Okay, let's make it this color. To 1 hour CB high. Okay, so and also if you see 1 hour chart, see touch the C of it. Okay, confirm already. I'm bearish already right now. 1 hour chart they tell me I'm bearish. That's it already, guys. If this swing low close at 3 4 o'clock. The Nasdaq for more confluence. So look at here. Here, S&P higher high, Nasdaq lower high, went down, higher high. So S&P higher high, Nasdaq lower high, Dow also lower high. When dollar looks firm to the upside, if you look at the 15-minute chart, we have this super clean sell side. Hey, 没有，不要过来这样。 Okay. Yeah, just now some fucking baby drop my shit. Okay, anyway. Okay, we trade below in this BC and rejected higher back to the back to the new week, new day opening gap. Okay. Relative figure low here. We trade above this CB. Usually, yeah, only 3 minutes. I might enter this CB here, but now I won't enter this CB here anymore. So here looks like sell side, but here we respected once again this BC. Does this means we might go higher? Well, at the moment I have no clear direction on where we want to reach for. We are already in the 350 macro. Nasdaq corrected the highs. Dollar spooling up above the buy side. Potential 30-minute immediate rebalance. Oh, I said it and really happened. Fuck. Yeah, if you can see on 30-minute, this is a immediate rebalance. Bam. So if you want to reach higher, where does it want to reach for? Okay, here we got relative figure high, buy side here, buy side here, buy side here. Okay, this is, and yesterday Asia buy side here. So potential relative figure high buy side there. 30-minute immediate rebalance here. Nothing to do. Now I just wait. Okay. Now I'm just waiting for to be honest, is there a trade here? So buy side here and buy side here. Today's Thursday, so if Thursday wants to reach, if we are on a bullish week, means Thursday will probably start pulling higher. True, true. Okay, so this BC here. So right now here is a balanced price range at this 1 hour CB high. Okay, right now this is balanced price range. Okay, balanced price range. Then spool above it. So right now here, this relative figure low in this BC inside this 1 hour. Okay, all this was based on the 1 hour chart, right? So basically this was the 1 hour BC and this is the 1 hour CBC, how we trade above it. Okay. So right now, really expecting bullish, higher prices to 1 hour C week, which is here. The next will be the daily C week, which is on top there. So 1 hour C week, eyeballing it comes at 6491.5. Okay. So you join as well, 6491.5. So we did respected in this BC here. Form okay, right now is 4-1. See 1 hour form this swing low in this BC. So right now bullish. Okay. Okay, still got half an hour. Let me set the timer first. Okay, so bullish 30-minute immediate rebalance, which is here. Yeah, 30-minute rebalance. Look for the buy side or above here right now. Okay, if I go along here 6484, stop loss has to be my stop loss is just replaced here. 8481, so 3 points. Okay, can. What I want to see right now is this to stay intact. Okay, want the highs to stay intact first. Okay, we did clear one. Now I want to engineer the other one. And if it trades below to this BC, then I will enter. Cause 15 minutes basically trade into this 1 hour old BC here. Nice, nice, nice. That I like that rejection there. Okay, I like that rejection there. Okay. Here forms a BC, I'm gonna take it. Okay. But again, Rieti Piccolo here, but don't be deceived by this Rieti Piccolo. Oh, it's sell side. No, if you see 30 minutes, it's a fucking 30-minute immediate rebalance, okay? I don't know why it's not visible on 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, yeah, this 30-minute immediate rebalance. No, this high I want you to stay intact. Engineer the buy side, man. Anyway, this is a displacement. This is order block. Wow, look at 1 minute. Slowly like going higher like that. It's okay. To the upside, I'm still aiming for the 1 hour CV and stuff. So right now, look at this CV, okay? Actually, this what is this? This probably the 1 hour chart something. Okay, a 1 hour chart is the balance price range, right? This is the 1 hour chart balance price range. Okay, here you can see we are finally trading above it. So now on a 5 minute chart, we can see this also. Look at this CV has been always offering resistance. Right now, finally we close above it. See if it comes down to it. I don't want here to be traded to first. We trace back into here, then only trade higher. That is what I'm seeing, okay? So 6484.75. I'm going to place my long at here. It's okay. We only enter at discount. And why 6484.75? Because coincide with this CV, inversion fair already get as well it's just right at there, okay? You can see this BC form right here, but you can see how it's there. Okay, I like how it closed in the end dog. Retrace, even though if it bump over the buy side, I'm still gonna enter this trade because I'm aiming for the 1 hour CVIC and the daily CVIC. Okay, so let's just enter our trade here. 6484.75, okay? And stop loss. Okay, I'll just place it here actually. Because these three candles, right, is seen as a order block. Okay, so we're just gonna get our 5 points. 21 ticks. Okay, why is it? So where I'm aiming? Like I tell you, the idea is to aim here. Here we got bisect some more. And this is Asia Highs. Asia Highs 1 hour civic, daily civic, that's the draw, okay? So just be patient, wait, and that will be it, okay? Now we're gonna close the charts. And later, before I break in, I'll open and see again, okay? Okay guys, so price traded into this BC and start leaving it. So we didn't get our fill, but it's okay. So where price stopped at? Price stopped at this 1 hour balance price range. So it was this 1 hour balance price range, and basically, yeah, that's about it. Sometimes you miss move, they don't get you the feel, they don't give you the feel, and that's it. So you can see prices stopped it at the 1 hour balance price range, the PC here, and now we start leaving it already. So my question is, should I still leave the trade on? Okay, so that's basically it. Because right now the fact that we respected FBC here and this volume balance, so it really should start going higher because we're finding close above this 1 hour balance price range already. So I'm just gonna close the trade. Today never get filled. So today no win, no lose. That's it. So we'll still study. I still got a couple of minutes. We still study and see the image for the buy side here into the 1 hour CD. So this is the Asia buy side, the 1 hour CD. Then the daily CD here, and 30-minute immediate balance here. Yeah, just and right now where is the draw? Here, here. Yeah, very clear draw. So starts pulling now. Right now the 3 PD array is this bullish order block, volume balance, 1 hour balance very high, and this fair value gap here. So that is why I close my trading because right now the 3 PD array is basically here. Okay, 1.75 point stop loss. We shall see whether we get filled later or not. Not get filled. Just now it's just like a hit rate kind of thing. Anyway, that's it for today. Later 8:30 we got PPII news, and we shall see if we get these 5 handles. So very small stop loss. Very small stop loss. So trading with the order flow. Anyway, dollar looks firm. Dollar from downside, Nasdaq goes from up. So And yeah, that's it. Okay. We'll come back after work and see did this trade painted or not. Because right now the order flow, bullish order flow is just like that. This is seen as ITL. This is a bullish order block. Bullish order block, volume imbalance, and the 1 hour balance price being high. Stop loss right below the ITL. Okay. We got above the 14 August and dot also. So we shall see if we get the 5 points to the 1 hour CVIC and then 6.75 point to the daily CVIC. Okay, time to go back work. Okay guys, so let's have a look. So I entered, I think it was the 5 minute chart, right? So yeah, 5 minute chart, this volume balance will get stopped out. And this was the BC I was expecting to enter. So yeah, this was the BC I was expecting to enter. But then, sometimes you just got to learn how to let go of the trade because I had to go back work already. So yeah, basically this was the BC. So let's see if this BC will stop us out or not. Okay. Wait, let me sit down first. Okay, so basically it was this BC that I was expecting to enter here. Stop loss. Say stop loss just play somewhere here because this is balance price range everything, right? So let's see, did we get stopped out? Okay, we won't get stopped out. We enter here. But then I was aiming for this buy side, right? So I was aiming for the buy side and the C1 hour CVIC, and you see we got it. But at what time? At 8 o'clock. So basically that is let's say entry I will enter at here, which is 450. Then 450, wow, come up here, all the way until 7 until 8 o'clock. Then we reach the 1 hour CVIC. So let's see how many points is that. So basically one tick below the 1 hour CVIC, so 6.5 points. 450, so roughly like 4 hours lah, this trade. So basically this kind of trade is the kind of trade that you just leave it there and just let it do its thing. This is the 15 minute chart. Created that 30 minute immediate rebalance. Then hold in that, see close above, so you can see on 1 hour chart. Here, you see, as soon as close above the 1 hour balance price range, which is at 5 o'clock, which is at 6 o'clock. As soon as it close above it, come down, spool to the 1 hour CVIC. So do you see it right now? So I bought this tell story. When it was holding inside here, even this candle will do nothing. But as soon as this candle closes, which is the 5 o'clock candle, meaning at 6 o'clock it closes, then I need to go down to 15 minute time frame. That means where's the 6 o'clock candle? So as this candle closes, displacement fair value gap. So yeah, which then we trade back lower into the end dog. Rejected at the upper quadrant of the, what is this? This is the upper quadrant of yesterday's new opening range gap. Then bing 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 all the way until the 1 hour CVIC. Okay, so that will be it for today. I mean the review. So that's why I never rush. If I entered here, stop loss place here, I would have got stopped out already, even though it was just a small one. Okay. Yeah, that's why never rush entries. Just enter at where you want to enter at the start, which is this BC here. And you can see, beautiful, how we respected this BC the whole time and then spool up to the 1 hour CVIC. So yeah, later 8:30 we got PPI, and that is basically the star of today. And after that we will go hunt for setups again. So I'll be looking at the sell sides here. Then the sell sides here, and basically is this the 1 hour CVIC? So this is the 4 hour. Or is it the daily? Okay, wait. Let's see, okay. Yeah, my data a bit slow. Okay, it's the daily. Okay, so it's the daily BC. Okay, yep. So, it's not the daily. Then it has to be the 4 hour. So this is not the 4 hour, probably the 1 hour. 15 minutes? Nani? Nani? It's definitely the 1 hour or the 4 hour. I probably shifted it just now by accident. Okay, definitely it's the 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour, yeah, the high here, yeah, I shifted the low. No, I didn't shift it. Okay, this was the 4 hour BC. So you can see at what time respected here. Then I think okay, so this is the 4 hour BC. And 1 hour chart, we trade lower into this 1 hour BC here, form a swing low. And when we form that swing low, that is basically the cue for that. For me, we form a swing low, touch the upper quadrant of the 4 hour BC. That was telling me already. This is a intermediate swing low, and we're gonna aim for higher prices, buy side, buy side, buy side, and to hit the 1 hour C week. And next is the daily C week, and this here we got buy side as well, which is gonna be the PM session high. It's gonna be Wednesday PM session high. So the high here. Yep. So that will be it. And then next is going to be the first fair value gap of yesterday's one. Yeah. So that's going to be it if it continues higher, because 4 hour chart looks higher, 1 hour chart also higher, so high time frame always together. And today is Thursday, so in terms of a bullish week, which we are a bullish week, right? Look at the previous day high, previous week high. Look at that. Okay, we are at all time high, so basically above the previous week high already. So what can we expect if we are on a bullish week and it's Thursday? Thursday will create the other end of the range of a bullish week, which means Thursday will create the high of a bullish week. Okay, so that would be what we are going to see going forward. And again, if later there's a trade idea, which I'm going to be patient and wait for the trade idea, just bullish, and going to just expect, yeah, going to wait for displacement. And yes, Ian, follow rules, okay? And that will be it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's it.